Hello and welcome. Let me first begin with a question to all of you. Are you building an intelligent enterprise for the future? And I believe the answer would be yes. So let's dive right in to understand how do we get there. Now, each and every one of you who are trying to build and transform for the future are doing one of these four things. You're building new customer engagement models, new operating models, within that, new business models, and of course, to drive all of that, new products and services. As you embark upon this journey, the leaders, your peers across the globe, are clearly realizing that the success to that is being very data centric across any industry, any vertical across the globe. Now, in that context, we are at a tipping point. A lot of you are in a multi-cloud world. You realize that to differentiate, it'll all be about customer experience. We are all in a world where we want our business intelligence and analytics initiatives to be a lot more self-service. We all want tomorrow's data yesterday to make a decision for today. Of course, the CDOs are defining the data strategy, which is across the enterprise and a C-level, board-level initiative now. And it would be critical to remind ourselves that cybersecurity and data-centric privacy are the most important things to invest as we stand here today. In that world, managing data, this explosive growth of data is getting more and more complex and more important. And here are some of the drivers. Look, there is an explosive growth in data volume. Any number I put out there is going to be less than the actual number we will grow into. 21 zettabytes per year is the global traffic of data. We have 500 million business data users, and I tell you, that's just exploding and growing every day. New data types. Structure is becoming semi-structured to unstructured, mobile, social, IoT data. Today, we have 20 billion connected devices, and they just explode and grow every day. Day and day, of course, more and more data is growing across the cloud. Almost 90% plus of the data center traffic is now going towards the cloud in an explosive fashion. And of course, machine learning and AI is bringing 1 billion workers to become a lot more productive as it is assisting them, helping them, complementing them. That's the data world we are walking into. In this world, you have a lot of new priorities and a lot of new challenges. I would say lots of new opportunities. We all want a single view of something, whether it's a customer to begin with, so we can serve them better. Data governance is incredibly more important. Multi-cloud environments are becoming a whole lot more important and mainstream. Cloud modernization, customer experience transformation, data privacy. You keep going on, and all that it means is that data-centric strategies, the value of data becomes more and more important. AI and ML will be a huge driver of productivity in making sure it becomes a lot more valuable so that data-centric transformations can be a lot more real. So in that world, the right question to ask is not that you're building an intelligent enterprise of the future, is that are you building a data-driven intelligent enterprise for the future? That's the precise question that all of us have to grapple with. So how do we get there? To that, let's dive right in. Now, to be honest, data is fueling even the AI and machine learning powered transformation that we're all looking to drive within an enterprise. And that's a pivotal moment for all of us because the next 5 to 10 years are not going to be just driving all of these business initiatives, but how do we scale them? How do we bring AI and ML to the center of this? Without data, there is no role for AI and ML. In the world of AI-powered analytics, the most important or significant digital transformation we are seeing is happening in the world of data warehousing and data lakes, where customers are taking advantage of the cloud for its agility, flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiencies. We are seeing hundreds of customers either implementing brand new data warehouses and data lakes in the cloud or strategically modernizing or augmenting their on-prem data warehouses and data lakes in the cloud. However, as we have seen with on-prem data warehouses and data lakes, the majority of these cloud initiatives will fail due to lack of data quality and data management strategies. So now is the time to take a closer look at your cloud data management strategy to get the most value from your cloud data warehouses and data lakes. To ensure success, you need three cloud native critical capabilities: data integration, data quality and governance, and metadata management. Most solutions start and stop at basic data integration and ingestion. One-off and manual approaches to address data quality and data management issues such as solution-specific hand coding are expensive to develop and, of course, extremely difficult to scale and maintain. Integrating multiple point solution increases cost and complexity and, of course, long-term mess at your hand. You need an independent, modern, modular cloud data management solution to help increase your productivity, reduce your manual work, improve the visibility, lowering your risk, readily scaling while decreasing cost with intelligence and automation. Now, in that world, we Informatica are 100% focused on all things data management, that we call that enterprise cloud data management across all things integration, whether on-premise, in the cloud, hybrid, data quality and data governance, MDM and MDM solutions, data cataloging, data privacy, you name it. In any deployment model, any latency, any data type. That's what we do. That's what we thrive in, and that's our focus to help you transform in this data-driven, intelligent enterprise journey. Now look, we are the leader in our industry, and you as leaders choose us to help you continue to be a leader in your industry. 85% of the Fortune 100 lead with Informatica across their enterprise. And here are some examples of disruptors who've taken Informatica's portfolio and transformed their business. Companies across the globe and variety of industries like Kelly Services, BioVeritiv, AXA Excel, or as we call them, AXA Excel, Avis Budget Group, Equinix, and National Interstate. There is a broad variety of customers across different verticals, different use cases that have led with the Informatica data management portfolio to continue to transform and be a leader in the industry. And that scales to almost 10,000 customers across the globe that we have earned and retained over the course of our 25 plus years of existence. And we are proud to not just call them customers, but our partners in this journey. Now, if I take a step back and give you a sense of how we've made this possible for our customers, look, our focus on innovation has been the center of our strategy. Our innovation strategy has three pillars. We build best of breed products, whether it's integration, whether it's cloud, whether it's data governance, cataloging, privacy, MDM, data quality, you name it. We build the best products in the industry. We're also focused on the business users. So that's our pivot to building data solutions that we made more than 6 to 7 years ago. The 360 solutions for MDM or data governance for the office of the CDO, are data prep in the world of data engineering, or data privacy for the chief privacy officer, and I can keep going on and on and on. Our focus is to build business-centric data solutions for business to lead with and IT to be their partners in that. And of course, the biggest differentiator is our intelligent data platform. All of our products and solutions come together because it's a single API-driven, microservices-based data platform, and it's metadata-driven, AI-driven. And again, as I said, across any data type, any latency, any deployment model. Now, the secret sauce of this data platform is our Claire engine, which is our metadata-driven AI engine. Claire isn't present in every Informatica product, every Informatica solution, and it's the center of driving what I call more productivity, more scale, more automation, more intelligence to help you accelerate your data-driven transformation journeys. Now, all of this investment in innovation, and we make more than 200 million plus of R&D investment every year and do a lot of M&A. And across the last 10 plus years, we've invested more than 2 billion in R&D, had made us the leader in all of the 5 markets we compete in. The 5 magic quadrants that we compete in, we are the clear leader in each and every one of them. And that's not just a testament of our innovation. It's a testament of our focus on you, the customer success, so you can drive adoption and create value from our innovation. And that has been a maniacal focus of Informatica and will continue to remain so. Today, our cloud platform is the number one across the industry, and it runs at a scale that is unparalleled in all things data management. We process 10 billion transactions a month, growing exponentially over the course of the last few years, scaling across all of the leading cloud hyperscaler and platforms that we partner with. In that journey, we give you the most flexible business model, hybrid business model. Of course, we grew up in the world of on-premise 25 years ago, and today we are the number one in the world of cloud and multi-cloud. So any deployment model for you, we have a solution for that. And of course, in terms of business model, we have the license-based model that we started with, but we also have the subscription-based business model that gives you the immense flexibility to invest in Informatica at any scale for any kind of workload. In that journey, we also have invested in building a broad global ecosystem of partners across the large system integrators who we partner with very, very strategically. A broad set of technology ecosystem partners like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Salesforce, Adobe, Google Cloud, Databricks, and many more regional partners. We are a global company, and our partnership focus is to make sure we can bring not just our technologies to you, but creating business value for you. And of course, as I wrap up, we at Informatica have a unique difference that will help you create value. First of all, we are solely focused on all things data management. We are at scale, true global scale. As I mentioned earlier, our cloud platform today runs 10 trillion transactions a month. We obviously are the industry leader in all 5 Magic Quadrants. Huge focus on customer success and delivering value for you. We are the number one in terms of customer sat for the last 13 years in a row. Hybrid deployment, skilled resources, not just thousands of Informatica resources, but the global resources from our partners who invest in learning our technology and then creating value for you. And of course, your trust in us and our trust in all things data management and backing you to make sure that we focus on the only one thing that matters, your success, your transformation, and your leadership in your industry. That's the Informatica difference. Thank you very much and have a great rest of the session.